cutting it, maybe showing it to the camera. Awesome. Good job.
So,
Okay. Yeah.
my name is Adela Agmi. I'm 11 years old and I'm working with America's Test Kitchen Kids. I'm going to show you how to core a tomato, which you can use to make summer tomato and peach salad. Like and subscribe to get more how-tos and recipes. Let's begin. I'm going to show you how to core a tomato. This is a core. And most people core a tomato in a circle, but I'm going to show you a safer way to core your tomato. So first, we're going to cut the tomato in half. And here's the core. And I'm using a serrated knife, which looks more like a saw. So it can cut through tomato skins better than other knives. You're just going to cut it out. So you can do that 2 times, and you've cored your tomatoes. Now these are ready for slicing, dicing, or sauteing, or using in your summer tomato and peach salad. Now I have my summer tomato peach salad, and I'm going to put it on a plate and try it. It's colorful and the flavors work together really well, and it tastes like summer. Today I showed you how to core a tomato for the summer tomato peach salad. If you want to look at more how-tos and recipes, go to atkkids.com. Thanks for watching. I'm Adela, and enjoy your taste of summer. It tastes like summer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A+.